Technology is on the rise and some applications are now presented on the cloud. Well, in this video, I'll be presenting to you some cloud-based services or some cloud-based applications that you would want to check out, especially if you want to increase your productivity or you would want to secure your files in case of any future mishappenings. You would want to stay to the end of the video as well so that you can grab every single point I make. And also the last point that I'll be giving is one that I haven't tried out, but then I stumbled upon on some research. You would also want to know about that application as well. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Is it on?
Hello guys, I am Jehiel and welcome to the channel where we deliver tech tips and explain how everyday devices work. If you are interested in such content and you would like to be returning back every week to get information like this, then consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the notification bell icon so that when I upload videos, you'll be notified and you will not have to be coming to the channel always just to be checking up. To just come up your notifications. Let's continue. We are moving on straight into the content, and first on the list is Google Drive, which is one of the most popular cloud storage services on the market. Initially, it comes with 15 gigabytes of storage, but then you can later upgrade when your storage is full and you need more for saving your stuff. And then funny thing or nice thing about this is that they have budgets for you to choose from, so you can buy storage based on how much you think you can afford or how much you want. So preferences. There are other cloud storage services you can check out like Dropbox and then OneDrive and TeraBox, some plenty names and things, and that has to do with boxes. What is it with boxes and drive? Can't you just find some simple name and then give it to it and then we'll just move on? I understand you are trying to whatever. Google Drive also has the ability for you to be able to collaborate with your team members or your friends or family or anything. So when you upload your file onto Google Drive, you can be able to add other people by using their email addresses, and that's so cool. You can be able to collaborate with people. It's so nice. You also have the ability to be able to control the kind of access the people you are adding onto your file have. You can be able to make them just viewers so that they can view your files and then just comment on it, or they can become active participants of that file and be able to change things of the file easily. So they can download the file, manipulate it a bit, and then re-upload it back onto it. It makes work actually very simple. There are actually prominent features on this application, like really cool features on this application. So if you want to see that video, if you want to see a video of Google Drive features and things, then let me know in the comment section. And also, if you have any applications that you would want me to review or you would want me to talk about, or if you have any video ideas or any ideas at all, let me know in the comment section and I'll do all to review it and then talk about it on my channel. Let's continue on to the next application. Next on the list is Evernote, which is actually a cloud-based note-taking application. This application is actually very intuitive. It's very simple to use. The UI is okay, straightforward. It's cloud-based. You can log in with your Gmail account and you are good to go. I actually came across this application when I was using my LG G6. Very nice phone. I'm not nice phone. Even up to now, you can still get that phone. Google Keep also looks very simple to use, but then it has more features than Evernote. If you are someone who gets overwhelmed by features, plenty features and things, just download Evernote. Keep your notes there and things. It saves automatically onto your cloud and you are good to go. So we are continuing into the video, and if you've reached this far and you are still not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and let's continue into the video. Trello is actually an application that I came across because I work with a team of software developers for Teck. So I checked it out and it was cool. It is actually an application that you can use to be able to collaborate with people. So it is specifically, should I put it like this, it is specifically for team members and things because its collaborative features and things are cool. But then there are actually collaborative applications like Asana and the Notion that also work really fine. But then Trello allows you to be able to plan your tasks and things. And then when you add your team members into it, they are able to see which tasks you have completed. You can also put ideas there. You can just plan out a schedule and things that your team can follow and not only you. So you guys are able to work in sync and then just be able to get things done really fast, because for all you know, you are in a team where there are different departments and then you can just set tasks and things. So maybe those departments are dependent on other departments to finish before they can continue. So when you have this task system and then when you have these features that allow you to be able to determine when you are done with a particular task or a particular something or a job or something, any department can just come and say, oh, okay, yes, he is done with this, so it's now our turn to move on into it. And then they are done with this, another department comes and they are done with this. moves on so fast and things. It has a premium version, and if you have the money in the pockets for it, you can check it out as well. Trello is a very good application. My people recommended it to me, and I didn't see anything wrong with it except for the premium side of it. Everything is premium now. How do you expect them to pay for their cloud services and that kind of thing? So Trello is cool. You can check out Asana and the Notion as well, but then I am highlighting Trello in this case. And now to the final application, which is actually a cloud-based presentation service. It is Visme or Visme, per your accent or where you're coming from. Yes, so I actually found this application because I'm in a French class and then we're doing a presentation. I didn't want to use PowerPoint and I wasn't sure whether to just save it as a PDF or something. So I was like, let me just go and look for alternatives for PowerPoint. And I saw Visme as the first one on the list. It comes with a lot of templates and it has a $12 per month subscription. That's not money for some people because $12 is someone's allowance, something. But then you can check it out. It looked great on the website. I saw it at. It's not like that thing where you order for something and then it comes and then it's different. You can just check it out. It's it looks very great per what I saw. I will link all of the things I talk about in the description because funny thing, these softwares can be found on iOS and also on Android. All the applications are actually cross-platform, meaning you can find them on different operating systems. And they also have their web version. So even if you don't have a phone to be able to access these applications from, you can simply just get your laptop or go into an internet cafe and get these applications from the web. It's so nice how they're able to incorporate everything together by producing a web application for their service and also a mobile application for their service. So on iOS and Android, you can get these applications. You can also get it on the websites as well. Also, if you have any ideas or any videos or any criticism, I would like to know about it in the comment section. Let's get interactive and things. I want to be able to better this content and things and be producing videos every week. And there you have it. 4 cool cloud-based applications you should most definitely try out. I hope this was helpful. And if you are a girl and you are interested in getting applications specifically made for girls, or I don't know, some creepy boys who don't check it out. But then if you are a girl and you want applications that you can be able to relate with and then be able to use, then you should check in the comment section. I'm going to pin the link in the comment section. So go straight to the comment section and then you will see the link there. Tap on it, which will lead you to another video I made a while back talking about some applications that girls should try out. So thank you guys for watching this video and for reaching this far into it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to other people and on other platforms. Let's get the community big as well. I am Jehiel, and we'll meet again. Till then, bye.